So the reason you click on this video is because you want to learn how you can make your video so good that your viewers can't resist watching. And I want that for you. And that's why in this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything from you getting the viewers to click and also getting them to watch your entire video throughout. So make sure you stick around so you don't miss anything I'm going to share in this video. And with that being said, let's begin. So the first thing we're going to be focusing on the part one is what we call the title and thumbnail harmony. One thing that makes like viewers not actually watch a video is because the title and like the idea and the title and thumbnail of the video is not actually like flowing together, and that's what's actually brings the downfall of most videos. Because for example, you might have a crazy idea, you might have a great idea. If the title and the thumbnail is not actually like working together, then the video is not going to actually do well. So that's where this first lesson comes in, which is the title and thumbnail harmony. And what this actually means is that you need to actually make sure that your title is actually working with your thumbnail and it's not actually like going against each other. So let's take a look at this video from Mr. Beast. Me looking at the video, you can see that the idea is very clear and the title and thumbnail is also helping to actually enforce that. So that's what you want to actually like do with your videos. You want to make sure that your title and thumbnail is actually working together and not working against each other, because that's the way you actually like personally get viewers to actually watch your videos. So the next thing you want to focus on if you want to get viewers to click that video is you want to focus on the emotional driven promise. Before actually watching your videos, the first thing they actually see for your video is the title and thumbnail, and you want to make sure that your title and thumbnail or the idea of the video is actually like driving an emotion, because if not, the viewers are not going to click on that video because they're going to feel like, what's the purpose of the video? What are they going to like click on that video? So back to this video from Mr. Beast. Even without clicking on it, just me looking at the title and thumbnail, you can already feel what it's doing. It gives off that mix of fear, curiosity, and a bit of empathy. And that's what makes your brain want to find out more. And the only way you do that is if you click on the video. And I want you to like actually do this for your next video idea, which is that when you're done like planning out your idea and your title and thumbnail, the next thing you want to do is that you want to ask yourself, what is this? Me looking at the title and thumbnail of this video, what is it going to achieve for my viewers? What are they going to get even without them actually like clicking to watch the video? So we've talked about part one, which is how we can get them to click the video. The next thing we want to focus on is to get them to stick around and watch throughout the video. And the way we actually achieve this is by one, when I mean staff retention, you want to skip the boring intros in your videos, because I see so many people, they start their videos and they are like, hey guys, welcome back to my video. And the thing is that viewers don't actually have time for your intro, like you trying to like tell them something. You want to actually like go straight to the point. And the way you actually like do this is that at the first 5 seconds of the video, you want to actually like recall what you actually like the video is going to be about. Because if you're not actually doing that, the viewers is going to lose interest and they're going to click off immediately. So for you to actually like hook them to stick around for the first few seconds, you need to actually like start strong and actually cut off the boring intro. No need for your introduction, no need for you to introduce yourself. You need to get straight to the point and what the video is going to be about. That way you actually like get the viewers to stick around. Then the next thing you want to do is that you want to add emotional contrast to your video. When the viewer actually see you and you're not actually like showing any sign of emotion in your videos, they don't feel that connection with you because they feel like you're not actually like, you feel too, you're like trying to be too professional. Whereas a video is supposed to show your emotional side. Like if at some point you can actually crack up a joke or do something or a gesture or something can actually like make your video feel more lively and feel and make the audience feel like you're actually like talking to you or listening to a human rather than an AI or something. So you want to actually like add emotional contrast in your videos and make it more suitable for your viewers. So the third thing you want to do in your videos to get your viewers to like stick around is that you want to add relevance loop in your videos. And this is one of the greatest thing you can do to make viewers stay, which is that before you actually like move to another section or another like step in your videos, you want to actually like add a loop to that section. So let's watch this Mr. Beast video and see if you can spot the loop here.
You did it! His legs are apart! Put it out! My adrenaline's pumping right now.
You managed to get $250,000 out of that building. Let's head to the next death trap. Take off your blindfold. Eric, welcome to death trap number 2.
So instead of him just switching from scene 1 to scene 2, he then used a loop which he said this.
Let's head to the next death trap. Take off.
So what you want to do is that you want to make a relevance loop rather than just moving from one section of your video to another. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to know why YouTube isn't recommending your videos, go watch this video here.